Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video is going to be super duper exciting. I cannot wait to share with y'all because we're going to be doing a major closet declutter. I know it doesn't sound that exciting to a lot of people, but I'm a Capricorn. It's what keeps me sane. It's what keeps me grounded. I love to have everything organized and in its right place. So in today's video, we're going to be going through my closet one item at a time and choosing things to give away to charity as well as things to sell on my Poshmark. So in the last 6 months, I've given bags and bags and bags of clothes away to charity, to people in our community, and also people who have lost everything from like natural disasters. I've been there. I know what it's like to lose everything in a natural disaster, to not have a house, to not have any clothes, and it is definitely really important to me. So in this video, I will continue to put stuff aside for people in my community. You know, we got to help each other out in this world, give each other a little boost. Sometimes that's all it takes. So besides that, I'm going to be selling some other things on my Poshmark channel. So if y'all are interested in checking out my Poshmark page, click the link down in the description box below. Make sure to download the link. And Poshmark has generously decided to sponsor this video. So I was super duper excited that they reached out to me. I'm over the moon. That is really, really important. I love that, and it just helps me out so much. So we're gonna have dresses, gowns, shoes, t-shirts, jeans, you name it. We're gonna have it on my Poshmark channel. Definitely check it out. So if you have never heard of Poshmark, they're one of the leading social marketplace destinations for new and secondhand styles for women, men, kids, pets, homes, and more. You can buy and sell items to your heart's content and earn extra spending money on items that would otherwise just be taking up precious space in your closet. So we're recycling, reusing, and repurposing to keep items out of our landfills, which is amazing. I'm gonna have a download link down in the description box below, as well as a personal Poshmark closet link down in the description box below. If y'all are interested, if you wanna follow me on there, it's gonna be You Happy Beauty as always, like it is everywhere. And yeah, if y'all like this type of content and would like to see more, please consider liking and subscribing. You know your girl would appreciate it. And without further delay and banter, let's get into this Poshmark closet declutter video right now. Let's go. So this is what my closet is looking like right now. I am overflowing, overlapping with dresses, jeans, and miscellaneous mystery clothes that I have tucked away. Who knows what is in those bins, but I also have bags that need to be sorted for haul videos. So this is what the shoe organization looks like. I filmed a video about this organizer a couple of months ago, and if you're interested in that, I will leave a link to it at the top of the video right now. So at the moment, I have two clothing racks. I have one that's used for like my everyday clothes. That's the one you see right now. And then I have another one for like future video clothes. So I took everything off of that rack, and that's going to be used as the makeshift Poshmark station, if you will. And I'm going to go through each piece individually with the mega fast speed, and I'm going to add it to the clothes rack. Not all of these pieces are going to be listed right now. It probably is going to be like a trickle down effect because I'm going to just confuse myself and become overwhelmed. But for this video, I'm going to list a couple of pieces that I think y'all will really like. You will see a sneak peek in just a couple of seconds. All right, y'all, so I just finished decluttering everything, and this is what it looks like. It's a huge improvement, although it's not completely finished. I think it's gonna work. So I color coordinated everything to the best of my ability. So I have reds, pinks, and then some oranges, and then greens, blues, a little bit of purple, some whites, some grays with a little khaki, and then it goes into blacks. This is vintage from the 80s. This is Shein, so it has a black base, and then black, black, black. Don't mind this. That is for a Shein haul this week. So then we're going to go black, 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 and then brown. And then all this is going to be jackets. And then I have a couple of things back here that's vintage. So this is actually my grandmother's. That was her kilt from Scotland. And then I have some swimsuits and some cover-ups on that side. But overall, I'm really happy with it. It looks a lot better. Then when I come outside, this is going to be all the stuff that I decluttered. So this is a lot. It's a full rack. And it is going to be a while of Poshmark listings, let me tell you. So I have some twill jackets, I have some really fun jumpsuits, I have some dresses, I have some other dresses. I know y'all have probably seen a lot of these in different videos. There's Sammy girl, hey sweet girl. And then over here, I have some charity stuff. So this is gonna go to charity. These are like really nice. So it's gonna go to like local people in my community. And then I have this gonna go to like the bins, you know, the charity bins, because they're a little bit more worn, that type of thing. But I wanted these to go to individuals who have lost clothes, lost things. So that is really important. So yeah, that is it. All right, y'all, today is a brand new day. I have been working my butt off today, so I've been sweating profusely. Please excuse my hardly no makeup on. It's been a thing. It's been a day, but I wanted to come up here and show y'all a couple of things that I pulled whenever I was organizing my closet to show y'all what you could expect on my Poshmark account. So the first thing is gonna be something that you've never seen before. I was supposed to do a try on haul with this, but it didn't fit, so I wasn't able to show it. But this is from the Gabrielle Union Fashion to Figure collaboration, and this was one of the jumpsuits. I loved this so much, and I was really disappointed whenever it didn't fit me. So this is what it looks like. So it's a regular like halter style jumpsuit. I'm gonna include a picture right here somewhere, and it has this really beautiful flowy chiffon that flows in like the backside of it. And this was retail $129, and I never was able to wear it. And then the second thing is also from the brand Fashion to Figure, and y'all will probably remember this in a haul that I did with them. And it's like the denim, kind of an overall denim dress. So it has button downs that go all the way down to the bottom. I'll include a video right now so you can see it on, but it also has the little overall straps. And when you turn it around, it's just a really cool kind of an 80s style dress. And this is a size 1, so it's like, I think, considered like a 1X, and it fits about a size 18 to a 20. So this is the second item that's gonna be on there. And then the third thing, I thought this was really cute. I found this at TJ Maxx. I was never able to wear it, but I fell in love with it. So this is from the brand Lands End, and these are low-rise slim leg trousers that are neon yellow. So these are super duper cute. I got these for $8. I'm gonna sell them for what I got them for because I'm not trying to really make any money on this. And they are really nice long skinny jeans. And I got these in a size 18. They do run very small. So if you're interested in this, I'll include all the details on the Poshmark closet if y'all are interested in that. So now on to 2 pairs of shoes. So I have these little like camo high tops. This is what they look like. These are a size 9. They fit perfectly. I've never worn them, but I thought they would be really cute. One of the details that I actually did like was the little zipper on the side, so it is functional. So this is gonna be on there. And then another pair of shoes. These are gonna be really cute heels, and these would be great for special occasions. So this is what the heels look like, and they are like a gold velvet material. I've never worn them, so they're perfectly fine. They're just really not my thing, and so I'm gonna get rid of them. Now y'all probably, if you have been around a while, you probably will have seen this, but this is the A New Day blouse. I used to wear this like to film all the time because I just love the way it catches the light. It's really pretty, and it's a long sleeve blouse. It has a button down detail here. I picked this up in a 2X, and I just love it, but it doesn't fit me anymore. So the only time I ever wore it was for a video, just filming. I never wore it like out and about. So it's practically new, but it does not have tags. So the next 2 things I wanted to share with y'all are, again, this one is from Fashion to Figure, but this is a blue long sleeve dress. This is a midi dress from Fashion to Figure. This is a beautiful dress, y'all. I just have never worn it. I have several dresses sort of like this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of it. This one is in a size 2. It's like a bodycon style. That is a midi length, and this is a very soft material, but I just don't want to hold on to things that I'm really not going to get a whole lot of use of. So that's going to go. And then finally, I think that's finally, finally, the last thing is going to be from Universal Standard. They sent me 2 pairs of the same jeans in different inseams, and this is gonna be the shorter inseam. So I think this is a 27 inseam, and I kept the 32 inseam because I'm 5'10", I'm quite tall, and I wanted the longer inseam in this style. So this is a high-rise, like a dark gray denim jean. This is in a size 20. I love Universal Standard. These are retail $100, and they're brand new. I think I've tried them on one time, didn't even put them in a video, and they are in excellent condition. Once again, gonna include a video showing you what they look like, showing me trying them on. And yeah, this is a fantastic pair of jeans. Universal Standard, if you're not familiar, has amazing quality stuff. It's a little pricey, it's a little expensive, but it's made using like engineered fabric that's supposed to last longer. So I really do like that. I love their stuff, and I'm gonna be having a lot more stuff from them in the near future. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. A couple of other things that I'm gonna post on my Poshmark closet. So yeah, that's gonna do it. All right, y'all, that is gonna do it for this Poshmark closet declutter video. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. You know your girl would appreciate it. If you're interested in downloading the Poshmark app, please check the links down in the description box below. And once again, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy. I'm gonna be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye.